Original bad man. And me get this song for them. Lego. Original bad man. His body baby.
It's V-Kills.
Hey guys, what's up? I'm coming back to you with a new video. I am Taylur Monet, and welcome back to my channel. Hey guys, what's up? I'm coming back to y'all with a new video. I am Taylur Monet, and if you do not know who I am, make sure you subscribe if you want to subscribe and join my team. Yeah, I don't have a name for y'all yet. Okay guys, so as you can see, I have a wash and go that is around 5 days old, and your girl about to section it off with her hands because who needs comb, right? So yeah, I'm sectioning it off, and I'm doing pretty big sections. It doesn't really matter. Just make sure that you got them sections straight. So yeah, after I put this enough thing on my hair, I keep on Taylur, you're taking too long. I'm going to section off another piece, and I'm doing it by sections like that because I already have my hair parted in a good little way, I guess. As I don't know the right word, but I have my sections already like pre-made just because how I did my wash and go. But now I'm going to add some warm water to my hair, and make sure you use warm water if you're low porosity. I cannot stress that enough. And after that, I'm going to use the Carol's Daughter's hair milk. That stuff is bomb for my low buns because it makes my hair very soft, very soft, and it just glides my hair really nice, and it gives me great moisture, and it leaves my hair really shiny as well too. So I'm going to take a comb just to brush my hair out a little bit, just because whenever you're brushing it with the actual brush and putting it in the ponytail, you want your hair to be really slick. So that's why I'm combing my kinky curls out. Okay guys, so now I'm going to be using the Wetline Extreme Professionals gel, and y'all know y'all don't know, I gotta post the new video so y'all can see how good this gel really is, because in the last video, we're gonna get into it in the other video, y'all gonna see, but this gel makes my hair super slick when I'm doing my low buns. Y'all gonna see the end result. But let's go ahead and continue this video. I just wanted to show you guys how I do each section of my hair. So basically, as the first section, you want to do the same thing to every section. So I'm going to go ahead and fast forward the rest of this video. Thank you guys for watching. Mwah.
Original bad man. And me get this song for them. Lego. Original bad man. His body baby.
It's V-Kills.
Catching that vibe. Me and my guys, we are feeling alright. Feeling the crew. Dancing like we ain't got nothing to lose. Another bottle done go down. Me and my guys never slow down. Them girls no one calm down. We be going from short to short now. Top of me want my knee. They wanna put me on the display, but me I know say make them watch me on the TV. Want my band is okay. Anytime they see me, they no want to feel me. They just want to talk. Take it raw and okay. If you play my music, if you get my CD, if you hit me when you see me, they want to know. Top of me in the street to myself, will they make them? They got to go. Top of me But my music fire, he did drive them crazy. I want me one for me, for my city, for my hood, them know.
So guys, I finished my puff. What do you have to say? What do you got to say? Boyfriend raised my hair. Just say what you think about it. Ready? Go.
It's gorgeous. The way you did your edges is magnificent. Love is outstanding. Marvelous. Toodles.
Okay guys, so I finished my hair and I wanted to make sure I tell you guys all the products. So make sure you watch the video after this, and I'm going to tell you all the products I use, because I know in the last low bun tutorial I did not specify the products that I use, but this time I made sure your girl gave y'all all the products. Okay. And it didn't really take long to do. My hair was shorter when I did post the other video, but I'm glad I got to remake the video for you guys. I hope you guys love this video, and it was very informative. And yeah, I'll talk to you guys later.
For real, sometimes it drips Seville. No cap. Yeah.